Some people see problems, others see opportunities. Entrepreneurs see solutions. In this video I'll show you what entrepreneurship is, and why it matters more than ever. So what is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is the process of creating, launching and growing a new business or venture by identifying market need and developing new products, services, or processes to meet them. You may be thinking, so what is the difference between entrepreneurs and businessmen? Entrepreneurs drive innovation and create original models from scratch, taking significant risks to build unique markets. Whereas business owners typically operate within existing frameworks, prioritize profit, efficiency, and steady, stable growth. So that's what entrepreneurship is, but what does it really take to be one? Let's talk about the core elements that make entrepreneurship possible. Innovation. This is when entrepreneurs introduce something new. They carry out imaginative and unique thoughts on the available situations and strive to foster something new. It can be in terms of a new production technique, technology, marketing strategy, and so on. Risk-taking. This is the willingness to take calculated risks. This involves evaluating potential failures and having the courage to proceed despite the uncertainty. However, indulgence in excessive risk-taking may lead to severe losses. Risk-taking is another word for exploiting opportunities and gaining a competitive edge over others performing in the same market. Vision. This is a forward-looking perspective that involves setting clear, long-term goals and having a clear understanding of the market. It is important to set long-term and short-term goals for a business so that the organizational objectives are learned. Organization. This is structuring operations effectively, defining roles and responsibilities, and managing resources to ensure tasks are completed efficiently. Without organization, you increase the chances of making losses, decreasing business goodwill, unsatisfied customers, mental stress on staff, which can result in them leaving the organization. So those are the main ingredients of entrepreneurship, but just like recipes, there are different ways to mix them. Let's talk about the types of entrepreneurship and how they each make an impact. 1. Small business entrepreneurship. This type of entrepreneurship involves individuals who own and operate small businesses such as hairdressers, grocery stores, bakeries, etc. Their primary goal is to sustain their business and provide for themselves and their families. They typically fund their ventures through small business loans or personal investments. Java House started in Nairobi, Kenya in 1999 as a single coffee shop founded by Kevin Ashley. At that time, coffee culture wasn't common in East Africa. Ashley saw an opportunity to create a space where people could enjoy quality coffee and food in a cozy environment, similar to cafes in Europe or the US. He began small, focusing on great service, fresh coffee and homemade meals. Their business gradually expanded through customer loyalty and word of mouth. Today, Java House has dozens of branches across Kenya, Uganda and Rwanda, employing hundreds of people, but it all started as a small business entrepreneurship venture. 2. Scalable startup entrepreneurship. These businesses aim for rapid growth and expansion. They focus on creating innovative and scalable business models, often attracting investment from venture capitalists who support their ambitious visions. These entrepreneurs hire top talent and invest heavily in research and development to fuel their growth. Flatterwave is a fintech startup founded in 2016 by Ian Alua Aboyeji and Olivenga Angula. They noticed that many African businesses struggle to accept online payments easily, especially across different countries and currencies. So they build Flutterwave, a platform that helps businesses send and receive payments globally through cards, mobile money, and bank transfers, all in one system. 3. Large company entrepreneurship. This is when an entrepreneur creates and launches a new business division within an existing large company. They may introduce new products or services to stay competitive, respond to technological advancements, or enter new markets. These companies may pursue innovation through internal research and development efforts or by acquiring innovative startups. In 1976, Apple was founded by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak and Ronald Wayne. They started small in a garage building personal computers. But from the beginning, they had big ideas to create technology that was user-friendly, innovative and accessible. Over time, Apple grew into a large company entrepreneurship success story because they innovated, continuously introducing products like the iPhone, iPad and MacBook. They dominated global markets and influenced entire industries. They created a massive business ecosystem, employing hundreds of thousands of people worldwide, and they reinvested profits into research and development to keep innovating. but rather creating positive, social impact. They develop products or services that serve a social need, such as improving access to education, healthcare, or clean energy. Social entrepreneurs may rely on a mix of funding sources, including grants, donations, and revenue generated from their activities. An example of social entrepreneurship is Solar Sisters. Solar Sister is a social enterprise founded in 2009 by Catherine Lucy. The organization addresses energy poverty in Africa by empowering women entrepreneurs to sell solar lamps and clean cook stoves to their communities. It's a social entrepreneurship because it solves a social problem, which is lack of access to electricity in rural areas. It empowers women to earn an income and gain business skills. It uses a business model rather than charity to reach more people, and the model has reached thousands of communities across multiple African countries. Entrepreneurship isn't just about making money. It's about creating impact by providing jobs, bringing new products to life, driving economic growth, and inspiring change and creativity in society. The world is full of problems waiting for solutions. Be the entrepreneur who turns ideas into impact, starting today.